Hello everyone, how are you all? My name is Sirat Kamal and I am an English language expert. This is my third video and I have chosen a very beautiful place. See, this is the greenery of nature after a very good rainfall in our area today. You can see the reflection and the beauty of nature. You can see how much flourishing the trees and the leaves are over here. So I decided to make this video. When I see this nature, even though I become fresh as well. So I decided to share few quotations by our English poet. There are so many English literature poets who have written upon the beauty of nature, like William Blake, William Wordsworth, John Keats, and so many more. But I will only share today one of the quotations of John Keats, that a thing of beauty is a joy forever. So if you spend your life and time in the company of nature, nature will help you to heal yourself, your core, and your soul. You can inhale the oxygen, you can feel the refreshness, you can inhale the oxygen in your lungs, and this oxygen will be a very good resource for your self-satisfaction and for your lungs as well. It will drain out all the impurities from your body by exhaling it, inhaling and exhaling. So, nature is one of the beautiful things we have in our life. So, try at least few minutes to spend in the company of nature. At least 30 minutes will help you to improve your health. Believe me, it will refresh you after a very busy and hectic routine. I'm here in nature and I welcome you all to embrace the company of nature. See how the winds are playing with the trees and leaves of them. It appears like nature is speaking with us that please, my dear friend, spend some time with me so that I can heal you.